In what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already
Grabe yung magtanong, oh. Ang haba ng span ng rest niya. In what particular time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utter 2, 3. Ang tagal.
a person
Anong klaseng
to
tanong yan?
kill the president, the first lady, and the former speaker of the House of Representatives.
Anong klaseng tanong yan?
Are you done? Objection? Objection.
Objection? Inulan ng objection eh.
Kindly state objection, counsel for response.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing of the president.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier. There's no mention that that video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback?
Sorry ka na lang.
He was the only party who said that, Your Honor, not
Kindly
the...
use the third party in referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask Your Honor for a...
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask Your Honor for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness,
Chill lang yung si attorney
you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh. Your Honor, please,
What is the basis of the objection?
Oh. That reaction eh.
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please, if I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President.
Oh, really? Paano nyo naging witness yan? Katawa-tawa eh. Tignan ninyo itong si Sir Jack. Oh, ayan pala witness ninyo. Sabi nga ni Sir Jack eh, ang dami mo palang racket. Itong si Kalilong. Tingnan nyo naman oh. Oh. Ano racket mo ngayon? Witness. Biruin ninyo, NBI naging witness para sa impeachment ni VP Sara. Anong alam mo? Anong connection mo doon sa nangyari or sa sinasabi? Diba sana kumuha man lang kayo ng witness mula doon mismo sa kung saan sinabi yung if they will kill me o yung mga ganun doon sa may live stream na yun. Biruin ninyo, ito sasabihin niya, forensic daw siya, nag-training daw siya ng 2 weeks. Tapos ang ginamit niya, ang evidence niya is ginamit niya ay OBS. Saan ka nakita forensic expert ka kuno? Tapos ang ginamit mo OBS. Yung OBS na yan ay isa pong public open source na platform na kahit sino pwedeng gamitin ng libre. Tapos ikaw gagamit ka ng open source na video editing and live streaming platform. Isa platform live streaming at saka recording yan at pwede ka mag-edit dyan. Tapos sasabihin nila hindi raw nila inedit yung video. The moment na ginalaw mo ang isang video, edit na yun. Hindi na yun raw. Pag hindi raw, ibig sabihin na edit na yun. Pag kinat mo ang isang long video, edit na yun. Kasi it performs about cutting and trimming, and then to finalize it, isi-save mo. Pag sinave mo yung long video to a short video, edit na po yun. So, sino yung ginugoyo ninyo? Oo. Anong klaseng witness to?
uttering that she already contracted a person, the whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so many words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled earlier. Chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall.
Oo nga,
That counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he
tama, nag-TikTok nga.
knew who the Vice President was.
Parang reels na lang ang ginawa. Kaya nga eh.
So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I state for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the Vice President hired someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House, not on the identification of the Vice President.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness,
Gatchalian, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Hindi ka ba nabuboard dyan? Kulang na lang mani. O kaya popcorn. Ano ho? Kaya bigyan nyo ng unan. Matulog na lang dyan, oh.
naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Naalala mo ba?
Okay.
Hindi niya naalala. Tapos yan yung witness ninyo. 2 weeks daw nang nag-training tas naging forensic expert na.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
Wow.
In what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference of that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker? In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Nakita ninyo yung reaction niya. Ito na naman sabi niya. Anong klase? Paano yan? Ayun bang, alam mo yun, bawat, hindi na sila makakonsentrate niyan. Kasi yung, pag inulan ka ng objection, yung bang may tanong ka anytime at the moment, talagang, ano naman kayo object nito? Nabwisit tuloy.
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said, prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Hindi nila ma-recall yan.
Honor, please, if I may can respond.
The presiding officer will ask the witness, Mr. Witness, out of the 2 or more made by her in that video,
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
you may do
Tangina naman ito.
so.
Witness
Senator
niya.
Cayetano is recognized.
Mukhang kagigising lang.
Officer.
Alan Cayetano, sorry.
May I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the Vice President uttered threats against the President, the former Speaker, and the First Lady?
Your Honor, if I may, there was
Because if
no
it's the-
mention at all.
No, yes.
Sorry, apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions.
Yun nga masyadong leading yung tanong ni prosecutor eh.
Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the presiding officer, or from the defense, or the... So meaning, you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him,
Ano ginagawa ni Gatchalian? Kulang na lang coloring book eh.
ano yung laman ng video?
Para hindi masyadong halata, mag-color-color na lang siya doon.
Pag binanggit na niya,
Pero may part doon na nagsalita siya para naman siguro masabing hindi siya inutil ba?
na may ganito sa laman ng video, then you can ask him na directly what part. So, all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, has this witness this afternoon, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV. But hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi, Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just...
Hindi, ano yan eh. I believe na ito ay parang hinugot lang nila talaga para maging witness. Kagaya yung maalala nyo yung ginawa nila kay Madriaga. Ay, ipapasok, isasalang din nila si Madriaga dito eh. Pero these people, like, even proven in the case of Madriaga, na sinasabi nila na si Madriaga ang pinapalabas nila ay parang very close kay PRRD, very close kay VP Sara, very close kay Bongo. I mean, saan ka na? Alam nyo, nakakuha nga ako ng impormasyon eh, na ang pamilya Duterte daw, parang may, ano eh, alam mo yun, parang merong faction din sa kanila. Maybe a little bit of jealousy, no? Kung kay Baste ka, ganon. Kung tropa mo si Baste, tropa mo si Baste. Tropa mo si Pulong, tropa mo si Pulong. Tropa mo si, I mean, kung kaklose mo si VP Sara, si Inday Sara. Parang ganon yung ano nila eh, parang medyo territorial ba? So, for you to say, kasi kumbaga ang dating nung impormasyon na ganon eh, hindi mo pwedeng matropa yung si Baste and at the same time tropa mo si Pulong, hindi ganon eh. So, for you, Madriaga, to tell na about tropa mo, kaklose mo si PRRD, tapos kaklose mo si VP Sara. Remember, back and forth din ang anuhan nila VP Sara at ng kanyang tatay noong araw. So, it's very impossible na kaklose mo si VP, kaklose mo si Bongo, kaklose mo si Pulong, kaklose mo si... Ano ka? Diba? Tapos, nung tinanong nila dun sa kanilang mini trial, yung evidence na kaklose niya itong mga to, yung picture with VP Sara, ako nga may picture ako with VP Sara. Yung kasama siya doon sa live stream, ako nga nakasama din ako sa live stream. In fact, itong dinidinig, yung pinipresent nila na evidence na ito, kung saan nandun si Princess Maui, andun din ako. Nasa background din ako. Hindi lang ako nagtanong. Hindi lang ako nag-participate. But I was there in the background. So, pag nakasama ka sa live stream, close na kayo. Hindi nga ako kilala ni VP Sara eh. Hindi nga rin ako kilala ni PRRD. Just because may picture kayo. So ito, lumalabas ito, parang hinugot lang nila sa tadyang ni Satanas, no? Para gawin nilang witness. Oh, may nakita nga ako kanina na ito daw, itong si Kalilong na ito, meron siyang kunwaring in-interview ata na isang, yung may-ari ng computer ata yun. Nakita ko lang kanina, hindi ko na mahanap. Pero that is very telling na ang ginagawa nila is fishing expedition. Nag-iipon sila ng mga witness, kuno, tapos ipipresent nila dyan. You would imagine na impeachable. Enough na ba yun na impeachable yung sasabihin na yung sinabi na, oh, nag-imagine ako. Ini-imagine ko na pinuputulan ko ang ulo ni Marcos. Impeachable na yun. Nag-i-imagine ka lang. Ini-imagine mo. Hindi mo naman sinabi na may balak akong putulin yung ulo ni Marcos eh. You were imagining and impeachable na yon. Tapos kapag conditional, 'di ba? Parang ano lang 'yan eh, pag conditional na sinabi mo, pag pinatay ako, may kinausap ako na maghihiganti para sa akin. Oh, let's take it to the higher scale of an example. Like for example, pag inatake ng Ukraine ang Russia or pag inatake ng Russia ang Ukraine, maghihiganti yung si Russia or maghihiganti si Ukraine. Parang ganun lang naman yun eh. But until na wala pang triggering point. In short, patay na ba si VP? Hindi. Patay na ba si Marcos? Oh. Vice versa. buhay naman si VP, 'di ba? Yes. So kung buhay si VP, expected mo buhay si Marcos. Bakit? Kasi ang statement is conditional. Pag pinatay ako, may kinausap ako, napapatay din sa kanya. So it's a conditional. As long as buhay ako, it's not a direct statement na may balak akong patayin itong presidente na ito, kanyang asawa at yung kanyang pinsan. Hindi naman ganun eh. So, dahil mababaw yung kanilang argument, kailangan nilang humugot ng mga peke, yung mga mahihinang nilalang at gagawin nilang witness kuno. Kaya nga tingnan ninyo, hindi sila makapalag sa defense team.
Lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions because we violate the rules.
Leading question.
So excuse me, but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group.
Senator Judge Cayetano, it will take some time before we can quote-unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But
Tingnan si Gatchal yan. No? Kaya ka iniiwan eh. Ang boring mo eh.
in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis for the witness to be able to identify the timestamp portions of the 2-hour video?
All right, Your Honor.
Counsel for the prosecutors may proceed.
This will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said
Asahan nyo na naman. May objection na naman yan.
that your
Very quick na yan Very quick.
office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024,
May narinig akong garalgal ng mikropono. Parang objection na yun
correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading. Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's,
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, tanong, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President noong araw na yan?
Ayan. Tingnan nyo.
November 23,
Tingnan nyo. Objection na naman yan.
2024.
objection, Your Honor.
Alam niyo, tawang-tawa nga ako dito kanina eh. Kahit ulit-ulitin mo, matatawa ka talaga. Alam mo na merong sinabi si VP. Objection!
Not yet done.
Nabuisit tuloy. Ulitin natin. Tingnan. Ay. Nangingisay na kayo.
2024.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution.
Biriin ninyo, inulan ka ng objection. Alam mo yung bawat breath mo, bawat hininga mo, bawat galaw mo, bawat kataga. Any moment may objection eh. Biriin ninyo kahit yung pause, which is totoo naman, very objectionable yun. Kasi parang ano to? Bakit mabagal? Meron ka bang inaantay? Or dahil mahinang nilalang yung witness mo, binibigyan mo siya ng time para ma-absorb yung tanong mo? Hindi ba sinabi ni VP ito noong araw na ganito? Ano yun? Strategy mo ba yan para mabigyan ng panahon yung bobo ninyong witness? Na nag-training ng 2 weeks tas naging forensics expert na? Aba.
Kindly,
Are very
kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question
Precisely.
before you object.
May I ask
For the
also
prosecutor, may proceed.
may I ask, instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because precisely the questioning of the prosecutor is there are many pauses, which
Pati poses, di ba?
it's confusing if he's done or not.
Counsel, witness even on occasion
Mabubwisit ka talaga eh. Kahit sino, mabubwisit ka talaga. Buti na lang nasa panig tayo ng defense, no?
Forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question of the prosecutor.
Pati si Chis natatawa eh. Nanya?
Forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question of the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Pati si Chis natatawa.
I just
Court will make sure of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question.
Nasisipon na sila.
If
Yes,
you want to
so-
state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick.
Hindi tone yan. Di ba? Ito, pantayan niya Kanina, yung post niya, inobject ni attorney. Binilisan niya, inobject na naman. Tingnan niyo.
What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
objection, Your Honor.
Tingnan niyo reaction niya. Ulitin natin na reaction niya. Binilisan na nga niya, objection pa rin. Minsan naawa din ako dito eh. Yung bang tipong umaarangkada ka na pero objection palagi yung kumbaga pinaulanan ng objection eh. Tingnan mo.
Particular statements of the Vice President on
Hindi, gusto ko ulitin doon sa mabagal eh.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question. If
Yes,
you want to
so-
state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What
Maybe it's the tone, I'll be quick. Binilisan na. Objection pa rin.
particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor.
Ah! Tapos anong objection mo? Vague. Walang iya.
Counsel for respondent, a bit of patience. Let the counsel.
Tatawa si Chis eh. Pinipigilan niya lang. Ito naman, ang boring namang tao nito. Wala man lang. Poker face oh.
Finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is done. What particular statement on that day did you investigate? How is that leading?
Objection, Your Honor.
Nako. Kung ako sa'yo, dapat sumuko ka na. Kanina pa.
Honor, vague.
Okay,
Not
Your Honor.
leading.
Your Honor, please. Can
I didn't
address
say
that?
leading.
Di ba, kanina, ang objection niya, leading. Ngayon, nung hindi na leading, vague naman. Kanina, ang objection niya, mabagal. Nung binilisan niya, ayun, objection pa rin, vague daw.
Your Honor, please. Can I?
What was
Whether-
counsel? What's the basis of the objection?
Vague.
All right.
vague lang.
I will
It's a
indulge.
2 hour
Your Honor, please.
36
I will indulge, Your
video,
Honor,
Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge. I will add these two phrases. It will never be. It will never
Kahit mag-add ka ng 2 phrases, objection
be
pa rin
that.
yan.
Now, Mr. Witness, what statements
May naririnig kang tumatawa sa background eh.
did the Vice President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor,
Whoa.
same.
Wow! Narinig niyo? Wow! Nag-indulge na siya. I will indulge. O sabi niya, okay, mag-a-add ako ng 2 phrases. O, if any, sabi niya. Objection, wow!
President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor, same objection. There's a 2 hour 26 minutes. What? Let the witness answer.
Alam niyo kung ako yung prosecution na wala na. Suko na ako eh.
Counsel, this 2 hour and so minute video was done on the.
Sa wakas, tumawa na si Gatchal yan. Yan si Gatchal. Tingnan mo, kung sila nga natatawa tayo pa kaya, di ba? I mean, this is somewhat entertaining, no?
The same day.
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
Ay, nako, sumasakit ang ulo ko.
But the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer.
Sabay tawa sa kasama niya. O, tingnan mo. Aloko mo. Masyado kang sutil sabay tawa. Tingin niya sa team niya. Sabi niya, kita niyo? Sabi niya.
Answer.
Witness will please answer.
Can I refer for my notes to identify the exact
Ito naman parang ano, di ko mawari kung kagigising niya lang tapos, "Oy, halika, witness ka." "O sige, sige po."
statement because I might said a statement that's not part of the actual statement.
Presiding officer will allow the witness to refer to his notes to refresh his memory.
Akala mo inosente, no? Pero bully man 'to, ito, ito, siyempre nandiyan siya, 'di ba? Para siyang inosente na witness. Pero ang pagkaka-judge ko dito, bully ito sa mga like for baka binully nito si Sir Jack nung pumunta sa NBI. Kung hindi man hideous na person, parang magkukunwari siya na magpapa-repair ako ng computer, mga ganon. Yung pala may balak.
Of the actual statement.
Presiding officer will allow the witness to refer to his notes to refresh his memory. Go ahead, Mr. Witness.
Makakalimutin pa pala. Kailangang i-memorize yarn.
The specific statement, quote and quote, "Yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM